What if every drawing you made suddenly came to life? Not forever, but for exactly 1 hour. What would you draw? One quiet afternoon, Mira sat at her desk. She looked around her room, her books, her toys. "I'm so bored," she sighed. Then she saw her box of crayons. A tiny smile appeared. "Maybe I'll draw something fun." Mira picked a blue crayon, then yellow, then pink. She carefully drew a butterfly. "Wow, that looks pretty," she said. Suddenly, flap, flap, the butterfly moved. It lifted off the page and flew into the air. Mira jumped back. "My drawing is alive." Then she laughed in amazement. "This is magic!" Excited, Mira grabbed another paper. "Let's try again." She quickly drew a cute little puppy. Round eyes, floppy ears. "Done!" The puppy jumped out and barked happily. "Woof, woof!" Mira giggled and hugged it. "This is the best day ever!" Mira ran outside to find her friend Mimi. "Mimi, you won't believe this. Watch!" She drew a ball on the ground. Bounce, bounce, it came to life. Mimi's eyes went wide. "Wow, that's amazing!" Now Mira couldn't stop. She drew candy, a big chocolate cake, colorful balloons. Everything popped to life. They laughed and played, the yard filled with joy, colors and magic. But soon, the puppy started running everywhere. The balloons floated too high. The cake slipped and went splat. "Uh-oh," Mira said. "This is getting out of control." Mimi looked worried. "Mira, how long does this magic last?" Suddenly, a glowing clock appeared in the air. Tick, tick, tick. A soft voice whispered, "1 hour only." Mira gasped. 1 hour? Slowly, everything began to fade. The puppy became lighter, the butterfly slowed down, the balloons disappeared, one by one, everything vanished. The yard became quiet again. Mira sat down softly. "That was fun, but also too much," she said. Mimi smiled kindly. "Magic is special, but we must use it wisely." The next day, Mira drew something small. A tiny bird. It came alive, chirped happily, and she cared for it gently. And from that day on, Mira remembered, just because you can create anything, doesn't mean you should create everything.